Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, December 20th. We're looking at Window Traders market profile of the ES and NQ. So the market is continuing to throw its tantrum, right? Maybe they just finally realized that Powell and everybody else is just full of shit, okay? You know, from transitory, no inflation, 6 rate cuts, 4 rate cuts, maybe 2. How about we raise rates next year? So, again, they're doing a lot of damage here, more damage than I thought they would do in these last couple of weeks of December as they're trying to chew away at their gains for the year. Still a good year as of this point, but look, bottom line is this, as a day trader, this is great. We're getting range, we're getting volume, that's the lifeline, right? That's all we care about. Whoever bought SPY for the dividend is getting absolutely crushed right now, as they're trading right at the island gap fill from the election, right? And then you have the regular day gap to fill. Right now we have some sizable gaps to talk about. We'll see if they're going to hold. You have PCE coming out in the next 10, 15 minutes. Right now, just about $5 in ES, $6 in NQ. So some pretty sizable gaps on top of the huge down day we had on Wednesday. The market consolidated the move all day yesterday inside of M's range and now came out of that, at least for now. Again, it's not 9:30, but at least for now, pushing lower. Righty, it's just unbelievable how righty, it took 3+ years to make a new all-time high, and they stayed up on the monthly maybe for 1 month. We'll see if they're going to take out last month's low or stay inside of it. They take it out firmly back to balance. The weekly and daily are down. So once again, righty cannot hold any gains, it seems, when they finally hit all-time highs. Game plan, again, is another silly number coming out at 8:30, and then we have a large gap. A lot of times, the size of the gap, if it's really large, sucks the life out of the trade. So that's a possibility. We hope not, but it's a possibility. We're going to have to see where the overnight lows are. Again, we're looking to take out the overnight right now is where? It's inside of the gap. You have the island gap and the regular trading hour gap. The island gap gets filled at 45.50 in ES, regular trading at 13.50. Not the regular trading, the daily gap. So we'll see if we're going to take that back. We're taking out that overnight low from the other day in the maintenance session. But for now, both ES and NQ, nope, not NQ yet. Take that back. NQ's has an overnight monthly low from December 2nd at 940, and that's poor. We'll see if they're going to get down to that at some point. So it's going to be a very, very changing situation throughout the day. Again, if you're in a trading room, you better make sure your moderator keeps things nice and calm and cool, okay? If not, you're in the wrong trading room. I strongly suggest you join CamelbackTrading.org. We keep it cool and calm in here at all times and try to figure out on a daily basis, let alone a time frame basis, what the market is attempting to do. Okay, we'll recap all of these charts tonight from top down to see how much things end up changing as far as the charts right now. So here's the ES, here's the SPY. So remember, SPY yesterday closed at 586.10. Now they have it settling at 584.13. Wow, that's a huge dividend. So the dividend is just about $2. Wow. So just about a $2 dividend. That's a pretty good dividend. Only one problem. We're trading at 579 right now. So you got to realize when people buy the SPY for the dividend, they're like, well, I have a $2 buffer. Well, not only are they giving back the dividend, they're down $3 on their principal as of right now. Another sign that was interesting, I thought maybe yesterday late in M period they would rally so the shorts, some of them might cover so they don't have to pay the dividend. Well, they obviously didn't do that as they spiked lower again. And now Even the ones that are paying out the dividend, again, are reaping the rewards. They could be covering their short right now and making some good money. So, very interesting. We did 85, just under 86 million yesterday. Pretty good. I like that. Right now, the volume pre-market is 1 million. So, again, range, volume, that's what we need as day traders. Wasn't an inside day yesterday. It was late, but obviously we had the price spikes late in the day to the downside. So, again, you have 70 minutes to come and join the room prior to this opening, and you have until January 6th before our prices go up. When you join, your prices stay the same forever. So you wouldn't have to worry about the increase. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.